Search has entered a new era. Today, AI is no longer just behind the scenes. It's front and center in the way people search, find answers, and make decisions. In this episode of Chalk Talk, we'll break down how AI is reshaping organic search and how V Digital Services is helping businesses future-proof their strategies to adapt to this transformation. In 2024, Google introduced AI overviews, and in 2025, AI mode changed search even further. Now, AI-generated answers often appear before any website links, pushing traditional results out of sight. That means fewer clicks, even for top-ranked pages. Today, only about 35% of Google searches result in a click. More people are getting their answers without ever visiting a website. This is called zero-click search, and it's reshaping digital marketing. You can't just chase traffic anymore. You must focus on visibility everywhere the user might engage. But SEO isn't dead. People are still searching over 8.5 billion times every day. The rules just changed. Think of your brand like a gate at a busy airport. Google's redesigned the terminal. There are new shortcuts, signs, and kiosks, aka AI overviews, featured snippets, and chatbots. But people are still flying. The brands that stay visible, no matter the layout, are the ones that win long-term. That's why at V Digital Services, we have evolved our strategy. It's not just about search engine optimization anymore. Our strategy now accounts for GEO, Generative Engine Optimization, AEO, Answer Engine Optimization, AIO, Artificial Intelligence Optimization, and LLMO, Large Language Model Optimization. Each one targets visibility in a different part of the AI-driven search landscape. Because whether it's Google, Gemini, or ChatGPT, our job is to make sure your brand gets found. Take a medical client of ours, for example. When blog traffic dropped 75% due to AI updates, we shifted focus to their service pages, the part of their site that converts. The result? Conversions stayed strong and AI visibility hit an all-time high. That's the power of adjusting, not panicking. So what can you expect? Yes, your organic traffic may dip, but conversions don't have to. We're shifting focus to content that drives action, not just page views. We are also using new tools and metrics to track performance, so even as search changes, your business stays ahead. AI is changing the way customers search. We're changing the way your business shows up. Let's build a smarter, future-ready strategy together.